ESG disclosure reporting is generally complex and challenging because it involves integrating data from environmental, social, and governance areas. These data sets are often spread across different parts of an organization. Adding to this complexity, there are numerous regulatory standards and frameworks, each with thousands of requirements. Organizations must report against these standards, which evolve frequently, making it difficult to keep track and plan reporting efforts. Once the standards are identified, gathering all the necessary data to meet their requirements is another hurdle. This process is often cumbersome for organizations, as they have to coordinate with various teams asynchronously, track progress, and manage responses. Ensuring that these responses are accurate and approved adds another layer of difficulty. Project ESG Reporting Preview aims to solve these challenges. It allows customers to create, complete, and approve reports based on multiple ESG disclosure standards, using both quantitative and qualitative metrics. We provide out-of-the-box templates for a range of regulatory reporting standards, frameworks, and directives. These templates can be populated and reused for future reports, offering efficiency and consistency. The templates are customizable with flexible data input options, ranging from numeric values to rich text. This helps build comprehensive reports and provides accurate insights into your organization's ESG performance. You also have the flexibility to bring in your existing templates, whether for annual reporting, internal reporting, or voluntary disclosures. Additionally, with built-in collaboration and approval workflows, you can enhance data quality and maintain consistency. We've infused reporting guidance and educational resources throughout the platform to assist you in the reporting process. Here are some of the supported output reporting templates: Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, CSRD, Australian Sustainability Reporting Standards, ASRS, and Business Responsibility and Sustainability Reporting, BRSR, for both Annexure 1 and Annexure 2. We also support the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, the ISSB Sustainability Standards, IFRS S1 and S2, and 77 industry-specific templates from SASB. Now, let's clarify some key terms used in the solution. Standards refer to the templates for various regulatory ESG standards, frameworks, or directives, like CSRD, TRI, ESRS, and so on. Requirements are the distinct disclosures that make up each standard. For example, a requirement from CSRD might ask organizations to disclose their gross scope on GHG emissions. Assessments are instances of a specific standard where you can start responding and collaborating. You can create multiple instances of a specific standard using assessments, allowing you to prepare reports for different years, such as CSRD for 2023 and 2024. Concepts represent the metadata of your response. It defines what the response is about, like greenhouse gas emissions, energy consumption, or employee turnover rate. Concepts also specify the data type the response should be. Facts are the actual data points or final responses, which could be numeric, text, Boolean, or other types depending on the requirement. For example, if greenhouse gas emissions are the concept, a fact would be 50,000 metric tons or 500 metric tons. For employee turnover rate, it could be 50% or 90%. Finally, dimensions provide additional context to your facts, allowing them to be categorized or broken down into detailed subcategories. For instance, if you want to break down employee count by region and gender, those would be your dimensions. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out these links for more information and join the conversation on our social media pages.